friends, it's VIPKID teacher Erin here in my classroom to give you some tips and tricks on how to do your VIPKID intro video. Make sure that you have a very bright and well-lit classroom that's fun and engaging, and you don't have too many things going on in the background that are too distracting, because these kids are going to be, this is their classroom, this is where they're going to be learning, so it needs to have like a classroom feel to it. It's important to remember that the families of the kids who are going to be potentially booking with you are going to be watching these videos. Another big thing is just to be yourself and to really have fun. You know, try not to overthink it, because it potentially can be awkward. But if you can do something at the very beginning to be a good attention grabber, that's really good. Like I had my dog at the beginning, and I introduced him and kind of went from there. So I will be putting my actual intro video as well as my like blooper reel at the end of this video, so you guys can see kind of like the do's and don'ts of what to do, as well as how potentially awkward it can be if you are overthinking it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm going to put my referral link in the description of this video, so if you're going to sign up to be a VIPKID teacher, you can use my referral link, and I'll also have my email address in the description, so you can use me as a resource, email me with questions you might have, or even like tips you have for me. And now I'm going to edit in my actual VIPKID intro video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Good luck with everything. Hi, welcome to VIPKID. I am teacher Erin, and this is Prismo. It's nice to meet you. I love teaching, and I'm very excited to teach you English. See you in the classroom. Hi. 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 I forgot everything I just said. Welcome to our classroom.